Hey there folks, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of Apollo.io, the ultimate tool for sales and marketing professionals. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, this Apollo tutorial is here to guide you. Now, for step 1, we need to sign up and create an account. First things first, you'll need to sign up and create your Apollo.io account. It's quick, easy, and a gateway to powerful sales and marketing tools. Now, you may use different accounts. You may use your company account, but for this tutorial, I am going to use my Google account. And once you sign up, you will be redirected into this page, which is your quick setup guide. Now, we can proceed to step 2, which is connecting your CRM and add the browser extension. So once you're in, connect your CRM if you have one. And don't forget to add the Apollo browser extension for seamless integration with your workflow. Now, as you can see here, we have the step which start your search, get started. And we can just click this and find the right leads. And it will teach us what to do, like so. And if we go back here, we can have to save the first lead and we can download the Chrome extension, like so. And for step 3, which is understanding Apollo.io. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is Apollo.io? So we'll give you a clear overview of what this platform has to offer. So basically, Apollo.io is an online website that helps you find the right leads for your marketing and sales projects in your company. And after that, we can proceed to step 4, which is to navigate the cockpit. Now, next, head over to the cockpit section. This is where the magic happens, and we'll break down the key features here. Now, over here, we have the search button, and we have the cockpit. And you can click the cockpit here, and you can see the contacts that opened my email in the last hour. So you can send emails, your daily task, your last week's email status, this week's email status, so that you can compare them both. Last week's call status, this week's call status, and then your scheduled emails. Next, we can proceed to step 5, which is searching for your target market or companies. So need to find your target market or specific companies. Apollo's got you covered. We'll show you how to use the search function effectively. Now we can click on the search function here. And you can either search for your target market or the people you want, or the target companies that you would want. So over here we have the list, and we can just search for people. So you can put anything here, or you can put any kind of keywords that you would want. So for example, let's put here software. So as you can see, it will show us a lot of people with their names and their companies in these things. And then if you're interested in these people, if they fit your target market, you can have access to their email, like so. You can just click this, but it will cost 1 credit, and we'll discuss that further later. And if you want companies, you can just click on the companies and contain keywords also. So for example, let's put again software, and as you can see, it will show you a lot of software companies, and you can just click save, and it will add them to your list. Or you can go back to your people, and there you go. And you can just click here, click on companies. You can see how many companies they've been in, or how the industry. So click on that, and you can see every information that you have, like so, and their insights and etc. Now you can just add them if they're interested, and you don't want to email them yet. You can just click add to list, and then you can create a list, which I will teach you later on. Now we can proceed to step 6, which is engaging your prospects. So now let's click on engage. Time to engage. Learn how to set up meetings, craft emails, schedule calls, and manage your tasks effectively with Apollo's engage feature. Now you can see here that we have a sequence. Now when you click create a sequence, of course you have to comply to the terms of service, and you can see you can it will provide you with two options in making your email. It's either pre-formatted or you can make your email up from scratch. So for me, I'm just gonna click pre-formatted as this is just an example. And as you can see, it has lots of pre-formatted emails automatically, like so. And we can just click the first one, then create and customize, like so. And there you have it. Then you can see its emails, and you can see you can just activate the steps. So let's activate one right here, and you can see the contacts if you've added contacts yet. And then your emails that you received, the activity log, and as you can see, it already showed up the activity that I just did just now. And you can see and click on the report, and this report will show you how many emails have been delivered and how many has responded. Now for step 7, we need to understand what enrichment is. So ever wondered what enrichment means in Apollo? Well, demystify it for you. Now let's go back and go to engage, and let's go back to enrich. Now this segment will update. As you can see, it will give you ways to enrich and update your records with information from Apollo. So if you ever upload or gain more CRMs, it will show over here your CSVs, your API, and your job change alerts. Now you can view all of these records in this enrichment page. Step 8 is filtering through the people. Now, as you can see here, they added a new segment called Conversations, and this is where you can have conversations with those who have responded to your emails. Now, for step 8 is filtering to people. So we go back into the search button and we go back to people. The People's tab is your go-to for filtering your target market. So we'll walk you through how to use this powerful feature. Now, for example, right here, we have the names, or we have the list, and we have the job titles. Now you can add job title here, and it will add more filters. Management level, for example, put founder here. So, and it will automatically filter those, and it will find your target market much easier for you. Now for step 9, we have adding contacts to your list. So if you found someone interesting, we'll show you how to access their email and add them to your contact list. So it's pretty easy actually. All you have to do is, if you found, for example, this one, you can just click on access email, and you will have their email, like so, and you have their email already. And now you can add or send emails to them, or add them to the sequence that you've just made. Now for step 10, we have mastering sequences. Now let's go back to sequences. So sequences are your secret weapon. Find out what they are and how to create and customize your own, and complete with emails and scheduling. Now as I did, you can see here that I've already added some day 1, day 4, day 7, day 10 automatic emails. And you can click them, and you can automatically, you can see here it's all coded and stuff. And you can see we can also press the AI assistant and to see if you want your personalized email, and you can adjust it like so. Step 11 is just what I discussed. It's called composing emails and adding contacts. So dive deeper into sequences by learning how to compose emails and add contacts via Prospector, CSV, or your existing lists. Now you may add them in the contacts version right here. If ever, you can add your contacts here using the prospect searcher, or your CSV file, or through the list that you have made earlier. And there's a new option which is automate adding contacts. So it will automatically add contacts in your sequences. Now for step 12, we have reviewing email reports. So after sending out those emails, it's essential to review the results. We'll explain how to analyze response rates more. Now we have over here the reports, and as of the moment, nobody has responded to these emails. But if ever somebody has reported, or if somebody has responded rather to your emails, you will see them here, and you will compare how many people have engaged in your emails and how many have not, and what type of changes you would have to make in order for you to get more engagement. Now for step 13, which is the last one, is exploring the pricing. So if you're curious about Apollo's pricing, we'll provide you with a clear breakdown of the available plans. Now if we go back to the Apollo right here, and we go to upgrade, like so, you can see here that they have two options, which is monthly billing or yearly billing. Now they have a free option, which is unlimited email credits, which is 120 exports credits a year and 60 mobile number credits a year. That's for the free. And then we have the basic plan, which costs $39, the professional one, which is the most popular, and then the organization one, which is on a discount also, which is for $79 also. And with each of these plans, you will get more and more added features. So for example, in the free plan, you have the record selection limit down to 25, and in the organization, you're limited to 10,000. So that's the advantage if you use if you add or if you pay for the upgrade. And that's a wrap on our Apollo AI tutorial. We hope this guide helps you leverage Apollo's powerful features for your sales and marketing efforts. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tutorials. As always, if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in and happy exploring with Apollo IO.